Interested in a Bank of America credit card for its cashback or travel rewards? The online application process is simple if you're prepared. Today, I'll guide you through it step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A successful application is all about having your information ready and knowing what to expect. The whole thing takes about 10 minutes. First, have your details handy: your social security number, your annual income, and your monthly housing payment. Then, go to the BoA website, browse their credit cards, and select Apply Now. You'll fill out the application form with your personal, financial, and employment information. Be accurate and consistent with what the bank already has on file for you. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the pre-qualification tool first. Before you officially apply, check if you're pre-qualified on their website. This is a soft credit check that doesn't hurt your score and gives you a good idea of your approval odds for different cards. Just like that, you're ready to apply for your next credit card with confidence. What type of rewards card interests you most? Cashback, travel, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.